combination of trying to use a motor car and yourself it's really the connection between the two, the man and the machine.
Welcome back. We're doing this again. I always feel a little awkward holding this camera while my friends in the background talking, but we are at our friend's warehouse here with a group of cars. This is unofficial, first meet for the man in the machine. But what we were trying to see is whether or not this could be an official spot. Location to be determined, but let's just have a look at who we have lined up here. For starters, I think we got a good group of friends, and I think we can grow this to be a fun little meet. Obviously, we'll respect the guidelines of, you know, social distancing and making sure that we're safe. But this is a fun thing for us. So why not organize and collaborate with you guys that are in the car community and bring some fun and life to this world. Share these cars, right? We own them, let's use them. Yes. All right, we're departing. Everybody's in their cars. I didn't get Tasca, but he's always got that little eyebrow raised. Yes, Rory. You got the Ford GT, and you got the GT3 RS, and a FERRARI F12. Let's go. Didn't have it on video. We were in Mexico. Wanted to see how the SV did against the Performante. Missed up on one and left late on the other. The third run though, we got it right. And he pulled on me a little bit. I think maybe if I had a little bit more room, maybe. But I didn't beat it. So we're gonna have to do it again.